In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and safely remove the front bumper on a Hyundai Lafesta. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it easy to follow even if you've never removed a bumper before. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details or hidden fasteners. Now let's get started! The first thing we need to do is open the hood. Along the top edge of the bumper, you'll find 6 plastic retaining clips. These clips secure the upper section of the bumper, so they all need to be removed. For this job, I'm using a plastic trim clip removal tool. If you don't have one, a flathead screwdriver will also work. Let me show you a close-up of how to remove one of these clips. As you can see, it's very simple. Continue removing all 6 clips the same way. Now we can move on to the side of the bumper. Turn the steering wheel either to the left or to the right to create more working space inside the wheel well. Take a look inside the fender liner. You'll find 2 plastic clips at the bottom and 1 clip near the top. Remove all of them using the same clip removal tool. Once the clips are out, pay close attention to this area. Here you'll find a 10mm bolt that secures the bumper to the front fender. Use a ratchet with a 10mm socket and completely remove this bolt. With the clips and bolt removed, it's time to release the side of the bumper. Grab the edge of the bumper and gently pull it toward you while slightly wiggling it back and forth. There's no need to use excessive force. A steady pull is enough to release it from the plastic retaining guides. Let me show you these guides up close. These are the plastic mounting brackets that hold the bumper securely in place. Knowing where these clips are located makes the removal process much easier and helps prevent accidental damage. Repeat the exact same procedure on the opposite side of the vehicle. Remove the clips, take out the 10mm bolt, and carefully release the other side of the bumper. Next, we'll move underneath the vehicle. For easier access, it's a good idea to raise the front of the car with a jack so you have enough room to work comfortably. Under the bumper, you'll find several plastic clips that secure both the lower section of the bumper and the engine splash shield. Remove all of these clips one by one. This part is straightforward, and once they're removed, the bottom of the bumper will be completely free. Now that all the fasteners have been removed from the top, both sides, and underneath the vehicle, we're ready to remove the bumper. Carefully lift the upper edge of the bumper slightly and pull the entire bumper straight toward you. Before removing it completely, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors for the fog lights. The connectors are located behind the bumper. Simply press the locking tab and pull the connector out. Once both fog light connectors have been disconnected, you can safely remove the front bumper from the vehicle. And that's it! As you can see, removing the front bumper on a Hyundai Lafesta is a straightforward job when you know where all the fasteners are located. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel,